Biodiversity, ecosystem services. Wildlife contributes to various ecosystem services, including pollination, seed dispersal, pest control, and nutrient cycling, which are essential for the health and functioning of ecosystems. Genetic diversity. Different species within the wild contribute to genetic diversity, which is vital for the adaptation and resilience of populations to changing environmental conditions, habitats, and ecosystems. Specialized niches. Each species of wildlife often occupies a specific ecological niche, contributing to the overall biodiversity of an ecosystem. Habitat conservation. Preserving natural habitats is crucial for the survival of many species. Human activities, such as deforestation and urbanization, can lead to habitat loss and fragmentation. Threats to wildlife. Habitat destruction. Human activities, including logging, agriculture, and urban development, can result in the destruction of natural habitats, putting wildlife at risk. Pollution. Environmental pollution, including air, water, and soil pollution, can negatively impact wildlife health and habitats. Climate change. Changes in climate patterns can affect wildlife by altering habitats, migration patterns, and the availability of food resources. Overexploitation. Unsustainable hunting, fishing, and poaching can lead to declines in wildlife populations and, in some cases, threaten species with extinction. Conservation and protection. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves, helps conserve habitats and provide safe spaces for wildlife. Wildlife laws and regulations. Governments implement laws and regulations to protect wildlife, control hunting and fishing, and address issues like illegal trade in wildlife. Conservation programs. Various organizations and initiatives work towards the conservation of specific species or ecosystems, often involving research, habitat restoration, and community engagement. Human-wildlife conflict. Urbanization. As human populations expand, there is increased interaction and conflict between wildlife and humans, particularly in urban areas. Crop raiding. Some wildlife species may damage crops, leading to conflicts between farmers and wildlife. Mitigation strategies. Implementing measures to mitigate conflicts, such as the use of deterrence, habitat management, and community education. Endangered species. Red List. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, (IUCN), maintains the Red List of threatened species, categorizing species based on their risk of extinction. Many species are classified as endangered or critically endangered. Preserving and protecting wildlife is essential not only for the intrinsic value of biodiversity, but also for the well-being of ecosystems and the services they provide to humans. Conservation efforts require a combination of scientific research, policy initiatives, and community engagement to ensure the sustainable coexistence of humans and wildlife.